Assalamu alaikum students. So next topic is parameter and area of some special figures. So in first special figure I choose here parallelogram. So parallelogram, you know the properties of the parallelogram, that opposite sides are equal and parallel, then it is known as parallelogram. So let me make here a rough figure of parallelogram. Your parallelogram looks like this. Okay, so for if I'm telling you about the parameter, so you know that parameter is very easy to find out, because parameter means that sum of all the lengths of the boundary. That means AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. So if suppose this length is A and this BC length is B, so parameter of parallelogram will be what? 2A plus B. Okay, like same like in a rectangle, 2 length plus breadth. Now, but if you are talking about the area, what will be the area of the parallelogram? In rectangle, it is length into breadth. Okay, in rectangle, it is length into breadth. So this is also a two-dimensional figure. That means here also area should be length into breadth. But if it will be length into breadth, then what will be the difference? What will be the difference between rectangle and parallelogram? Therefore, and in parallelogram is not like a rectangle. Parallelogram is slightly tilted. So in parallelogram, actually, there is the height is there. Height means what? You can say this is actually a vertex, the line joining to the base, any base of the triangle, any base of the parallelogram, that will be your considered as height. So here the area of the parallelogram is what? Base into height. If you are taking this as base AB, so height will be this, and if you are taking this as BC, so height will be this. Means height should be fall on the base, that height you will choose. So base into height. So this is parameter and area of parallelogram. Now we have a parameter and area of rhombus. Rhombus means rhombus, it is like all sides are equal. Okay, so this is your rhombus. So in rhombus also parameter means what? Sum of all sides, in because in rhombus all sides are equal. So rhombus parameter will be what? 4 into A. Why? Because A plus A will give you 4 into A. Now when we talk about the area of the rhombus, so area of the rhombus is what? Half product of its diagonals. Diagonals means what? The line which is joining two non-adjacent vertex. Half of diagonals. So if it is D1 and it is D2, so it will be D1 into D2. Fine. Now we have a parameter and area of trapezium. Trapezium means what? Where two lines or opposite lines are parallel. Okay, and lines, two opposite lines are non-parallel. So if we talk parameter will be what? Sum of all these sides. AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. Okay. But what will be area? Area will be what? Here area is half sum of the parallel sides, that is here AB and BC. Okay, let's consider this A and B. Sum of the parallel sides into height. Height means what? The distance between the parallel side, the distance between the parallel side. This is the distance between the parallel side. Okay, don't consider this as height. This will be not height, because height is here what? The distance between the parallel sides. So A plus B into height. Like this you will find out the area of trapezium. Now if you have a area means you have a quadrilateral like this. This is a quadrilateral. Okay, so if you have a quadrilateral like this, suppose this is one height and this is another height, h1 and h2. So how you will find out this special area of this special quadrilateral? So area of this special quadrilateral will be what? Half. Okay, half this base in which it is heights are common. Okay, you can say this is the diagonal, so half d1 into sum of the heights h1 plus h2. So if you place this coordinator such type, so you will use this type of formula. So these are the some formulas of some special figures.